Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fundamental aspect of networking, understanding the difference between Layer 2 and Layer 3 switches. So, what exactly is a switch? In simple terms, it's a device equipped with multiple ports that facilitates connections between various network devices, enabling them to communicate and exchange data seamlessly. Let's start by exploring the OSI model, a conceptual framework that defines the layers involved in data transmission across networks. Each layer serves a specific purpose, and switches primarily operate at layers 2 and 3. Layer 2, also known as the data link layer, deals with MAC addresses, while Layer 3, the network layer, focuses on IP addresses. Layer 2 switches, as the name suggests, operate at the data link layer. They utilize MAC addresses to direct data to its intended destination. When a device connects to a Layer 2 switch, it learns the MAC addresses of other devices on the network and stores them in its table. This enables efficient data forwarding based on MAC addresses. Now, let's move on to Layer 3 switches, also referred to as multi-layer switches. These devices operate at both Layer 2 and Layer 3. In addition to MAC addresses, they can route data using IP addresses. This versatility makes Layer 3 switches invaluable in complex network setups. To illustrate this further, let's consider a practical scenario involving VLANs, virtual local area networks. Imagine a business wanting to segregate network traffic between departments, such as support and sales. VLANs come into play here, dividing the network into separate broadcast domains. With Layer 3 switches, inter-VLAN routing becomes seamless, allowing communication between VLANs while preserving their isolation. Now let's compare routers to Layer 3 switches. Routers operate exclusively at Layer 3, routing data based on IP addresses. Layer 3 switches, on the other hand, combine the functionalities of routers and switches, operating at both Layer 2 and Layer 3. However, it's important to note that Layer 3 switches don't possess the full routing capabilities of routers. In summary, Layer 2 switches handle data forwarding based on MAC addresses, while Layer 3 switches can route data using both MAC and IP addresses. Layer 3 switches offer greater versatility, but require more configuration compared to Layer 2 switches. And that wraps up our discussion for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.